The place is what? A lease?
Not by these documents. It shows that she own the property.
So how you work our funeral home for 6 months and acquire so much money? It's a big property that, you know.
Something na something. Cause me I wanna know if a scammer.
We find out him link with Bull. You see anybody else in the circle?
I see 2 more names, but them deceased. David Burgess and Devon White.
But hold on there. Them get taken out by some gang.
Obviously because I business with them, you know. Whisper? This a run deep. I don't know when Maureen get herself, you know.
Yeah. You have to approach this with caution. Especially because of the Bull brother him link with Radcliffe Morgan.
I have an idea. I go suggest to Bubble say, I go down a tantrum with you.
For what?
Me talk to him, you shadow me.
If you get saying and I feel no more, where you gonna show yourself for?
Hello. Bubbles never say I'm not in the field anymore. Special assignments, I'll be there.
Yeah, special assignment where you get. How this gets a special?
Because, sir, I'm a young female and a business owner.
You mean the lockdown business?
Him not know that.
So what when you make a proposal to him and tell him say man see business?
But just tell him say in a startup yet. Me in the building stages.
Alright, you are. Me can't get an answer about this. When you talk to Bossy, we take it from this.
Yep. Yes, Vanessa? Yeah, madam. You on your way? Yeah, come down the lane. Alright.
Tony, see what I talk about?
Yeah. I see what you talk about. Me fix it.
This is a personal space. You have to have boundaries, so you can't just pop up.
Yeah. I'm just...
Hi.
Hi.
Going in?
Actually, I'm glad I saw you. I wanted to ask you something.
Okay, no problem.
God. What is promise for now?
So the last time we met, you said you were going to the gym. Are you a gym instructor? Do you do work in fitness?
Well, not really, but I do work out as I said before, like to keep fit, you know.
I can tell. I'm actually trying to find an instructor, trying to get some workout done.
Oh, you mean like a personal trainer?
Yes, that's what I mean. Would you be interested? Well, the reason I'm asking is you're in the fields, you already know Tonian, and I don't want anybody else new. I don't really want to be around anyone else new.
I understand, but with me, it's time. I don't really have much time on my hands. Like the time I get, it's much like for just my personal training. But I could suggest some people you could work with.
Thanks, but no. I could work around your time. I mean, you could tell me when you're free and we could work something out.
Um, okay. I'll think about it. Get back to you and let you know.
Good. Well, it was nice seeing you again, Chris.
Nice seeing you too, Vanessa.
I'm saying it's nice seeing you again. I mean, are you leaving?
Oh yeah, I was actually heading out.
Oh, Mr. Busy. I'd actually like to pop up one day here when you're not leaving.
Well, maybe one day. To tell.
Chris,
Hey babe.
it's only Vanessa.
Why you ask me that? Yeah, babe. No, just a leave. Me I gotta work now. Yeah. Me call him.